Ceramic Pro Burbank, Kavaca, full PPF, and IR tint, take one.
Very nice, great success. What's up guys, this is Harry with Ceramic Pro Burbank. So we just got, but we got this last week. It's a brand new 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera S. Car literally only has like 80 something miles on it. So we did a full Ceramic Pro Kavaca PPF front to back. We took the extra steps and removed like the mirrors, door handles, emblems, a couple other small moldings just to do it right so everything's in one piece. It's a seamless install. We also did Ceramic Pro's IR window tint on the sides and the back. This thing came out beautiful.
Super happy with the way it came out. Couldn't have asked for a better product. You guys are the best.